In this short tutorial, I just want to show you how you can format a number to include text while keeping the number format in Excel. So we have 1 foot, 6 foot, 11 foot, 16 foot, 21 foot, but this is great because these still have number formatting. So you can do, for example, have some function down here, and it's 55 foot, or just say products, because of function, because why not? And you can see that all this multiplied together would be 22,000 feet. To do this, first, well, you want to enter a number as a kind of a placeholder. Then you want to go to the Home tab. Out of the Home tab, you're going towards the middle. There's going to be a number grouping where you're going to see this little arrow that you can click on to pop out and see more number formatting options. So now this is open, you can go down to the bottom where it says Custom, click on Custom. And instead of General, you're going to want to click on the 0 if you just want integers, or 0.00 if you want decimals. And you can follow this up with a space and then just put in quotation marks whatever you want the text to be. So you can say, like, I don't know, something random in your text. Click OK, and now it's one something random. So going to this, let's just say you wanted to have it be the number in something, I don't know, like foot, for example, like what we had to the left. Click that, click OK, and you can see it's 1 foot. But you can still use this as you would a normal number. And so I hope you found this to be helpful, and if you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.